Welcome to Epstein, Becker, Green's Employment Law This Week podcast. I'm George Whipple. A host of new state family and medical leave provisions are set to go into effect in 2026, adding to the patchwork of family and medical leave laws across the country. This week, we discuss what's changing and how employers should prepare. Epstein, Becker, Green's Eric Emanuelson is here to help.
In January 2026, both Delaware and Minnesota will begin providing benefits under their new paid family and medical leave insurance programs. Later in the year, Maine will also begin providing benefits under its paid family and medical leave program. Those will start on May 1st, 2026. Maryland was another state that was supposed to begin providing paid family leave benefits in January 2026. However, earlier this year, the governor signed a bill that pushes back the start date for benefits under the paid family leave program until January 2028.
Vermont, Colorado, and Washington have also made changes to their existing family and medical leave laws. We asked Eric if he's noticed any trends from this year or that we may see in 2026.
We've seen a few trends start to emerge over the last year when it comes to paid family leave. One of those is states expanding coverage of the program by having broader definitions of who's considered a family member. For example, at the beginning of 2025, Washington expanded the definition of family member under its paid family leave law to include grandparents, in-laws, and any individual who relies on an employee for care, regardless of whether they live together. We've also seen some states add new qualifying reasons to take leave. Starting in January 2026, Colorado employees will receive an additional 12 weeks of paid leave benefits when their child is receiving inpatient care at a neonatal intensive care unit, or NICU.
We anticipate other states will expand their paid family and medical leave programs in similar ways in the future. Eric tells us how employers can prepare for the new patchwork of laws.
First, employers should review their policies and procedures related to family and medical leave to make sure they're up to date. Second, employers should check for any new required notices or posters that may have been published by the relevant state agency and make sure that they're properly displayed or distributed to their employees. Finally, coordinate with your payroll team and confirm that all necessary state payroll contribution requirements are being met.
Thanks, Eric. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.
This podcast is presented by Epstein, Becker, and Green, PC. All rights are reserved. This audio recording includes information about legal issues and legal developments. Such materials are for informational purposes only and may not reflect the most current legal developments. These informational materials are not intended and should not be taken as legal advice on any particular set of facts or circumstances, and these materials are not a substitute for the advice of competent counsel. The content reflects the personal views and opinions of the participants. No attorney-client relationship has been created by this audio recording. This audio recording may be considered attorney advertising in some jurisdictions under the applicable law and ethical rules. The determination of the need for legal services and the choice of a lawyer are extremely important decisions and should not be based solely upon advertisements or self-proclaimed expertise. No representation is made that the quality of legal services to be performed is greater than the quality of legal services performed by other lawyers.